Yes, so this question says to simplify this expression right here. So we're going to apply the laws of indices to simplify this expression. So basically, we have our numerator, we have our denominator. In our numerator, what we are saying is x to the 4 times y to the 3 raised to the power of 4. So we can apply what you call powers raised, okay? So from powers raised, we know that if you have x raised to the power of n, and all of this is bracketed, so to apply powers raised, you must have a bracket, and then there's another power or another exponent outside. What you basically do is multiply the exponents. Okay, so you're going to apply this rule to x to the 4, y to the 3 raised to the power of 4. So you're going to have x to the 4 4 is 16. Okay, and times y raised to the power of 12. Now bear in mind, we can only apply this to the x and the y together because of the multiplication that is between them. I repeat, we can only apply these powers raised to both of the x and the y because of the multiplication that is between. If there was a plus, we will not be able to apply powers raised. I repeat, if there was a plus, we will not be able to apply powers raised. Okay, so just to specify, when you have a times, okay, and you have another letter, okay, let's say the y is raised to the power of let's say p, okay, so we have n by m and y raised to the power of p by m, okay. And the multiplication persists between them. Okay, so bear that in mind. The denominator stays the same. Now we're going to apply another rule. When your base is the same, okay, you have x to the n, for example, divided by the same base. The base have to be the same to another power or the same power, it doesn't matter. You subtract the power. So you keep the base have to be the same. You keep the base and you subtract the powers. Okay. Now these powers have to be subtracted whereby the dividend is subtracted by the divisor. So in other words, let's say you have it as a fraction. You have x to the n, okay, above, and you have x to the m below. Is the above subtract the below, okay? So therefore now what we're going to have is x 16 minus 7 will be 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. And carry the times. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 should give us 7, I think. 5 and 7 is 12. Okay. So that would be for part E. All right. Part B. Part B, you have the radical signs present in part B, which requires further analysis and explanation. But this is the solution for part E.